Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. So happy to be here with Adam. Adam is here 1 year after his procedure with us. He had a plus procedure here. And I'm going to put the before pictures right beside so you can see the difference. But he came in all smiles, super happy. And thank you again, Adam, for showing your results. But tell us about your experience, from beginning to end. I know it's not an easy thing to go through.
Absolutely.
And, tell me about your process, and then tell me what you think of your results and what people are saying about it.
The process was one rough week of not great sleep, but probably the best decision of my life. My results I'm very happy with. If you can see the before picture and the after. New hairline, quite a dramatic change.
Yeah.
But after the procedure's over and the recovery's over, I don't know, a couple weeks later, you have no idea what you had done until it all starts growing in. Maybe 6-7 months later, you start to really see a change. Yeah. And I saw family on the 9th month, and they all noticed a difference and were in shock with how good it looked. You
said you were at a wedding, they couldn't stop touching it. They were all like,
people
wow.
love the hair. So when they see it, they're impressed with the new hairline.
Yeah.
I can't see the scar on the back of my head, but no one's ever mentioned it to me.
Yep.
So I would assume that they can't see it either.
Yep.
And otherwise, phenomenal process.
Awesome.
And
would you do it again? I mean, looking back, there's a lot to go through, but with the result you have now, you think it was worth it?
I would definitely go through it one time again. Yeah. I don't think I would do a second layer of what I just did.
And you don't need to, honestly. Yeah. I mean, when you see what you look like. But let me try. I'm just going to pull up top here. You stay right there. So you can do side by side. And you can really see a big, big change from before. I'm going to go to the side here, turn him this way. He's got that nice shelf of hair around the side. Before he had these we call them runways, kind of shooting down through there. Now it's much, much harder to see with that first pass. Final pass, I should say. And then the side, same thing.
You never know.
You never know.
Long life to live.
Exactly. But he had this, big runway through there. We got back almost all the way back to, but he's still got a little thinning in the crown. But it's a very natural look. It looks like it's, like nothing was done. He's very, very handsome now. And I'm going to turn him around and kind of show the scar. So let's turn him around.
I haven't seen it. You'll have to
see it. So he's kind of doing this fade. Where it's a little longer up top. So again, at this length, there's nothing to see. But I'm going to go up. There it is right there. That's a scar. It almost just looks like a crease in the hair. I'm going to do it again here in the middle. So again. Right there. I don't know if you can appreciate that or not. And again, we'll do over here. So again, nothing from there. He's got his hair probably about a 4 or 5 guard. All the way up. You guys catch it? Because I sure didn't. I couldn't even see it on that pass. I'm going to go up a little higher. Boy, I didn't even see it that time either. There it is right there.
If it's that hard to find, you did a good job.
Yeah, so it's a little pencil line through there. So he could get his hair a lot shorter than this, and he'll be not see it. So awesome, man. Well, congratulations on your progress.
Thank you,
and thanks for showing your results. I'm sure it's going to help somebody.
Great job. Thank you.
No worries.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.